calling.
For this video, I'm going to be using my Boxycharm products. If you guys don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a monthly subscription. You get 5 to 6 full sizes products, and it only costs you $21 a month. Free shipping. If you use the link down below, it means so much. It helps out my channel. Make sure to check them out. I really love using their products every month. I really don't post because a lot of you guys, because I don't really know if you guys want to see them every month. So let me know if you guys do. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to comment. So I'm definitely going to show you guys how to do this simple look. I'm going to go ahead. So this month's box is called Peace, Love, and Boxy. So this is what it looks like. They do send you like a little card, and it gives you all the information of all the products that are going to be in the box. We did get the the Complexion Authority Festival palette, this palette right here, and when I opened it and I saw the colors, I was like, oh my god, these two are the main ones that I used. So definitely gonna check that out. And this palette, it retails for $36, so already you're getting your money's worth on Boxycharm. Like I said, Boxycharm is $21. You'll be getting this for that palette is $36. It's already getting the box. So then we're gonna get 3 Luxie brushes. These ones retail for $28. And then we did get the Artist Couture highlight, this one right here. So I'm going to definitely show you guys what this one looks like. That one retails for $27. Then we also got a Butter London Power Up Mascara. This one retails for $20. And then we have the Starlux Ultra, the eyeliner, and this one retails for $19. So we are getting our money's worth in Boxycharm. I really like Boxycharm because they do not give us samples. They actually give us full-size products, and that's what I really enjoy, because I do not like getting little products. So I want to get my money's worth. So anyways, we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm going to be using Epic, this color right here. This one's gonna go right onto my crease as my transition color, and I'm using a Morphe 511 brush, and I'm going to apply this right onto my crease. And I'm sweating, guys, because these lights make the room hot, and it's already hot here in LA. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this color all over the crease. I am going to layer this a little bit because I do want it to be a little intense. So I'm just going to go ahead and layer this a few times. So I'm just going back and forth. So I'm doing all my eye. You can definitely don't have to do the same exact look that I do, but I really like my looks to be dramatic. Lately I haven't been feeling like filming, and I don't know what it is. It's just I feel like I'm just like over it, I guess. I don't know what it is, but I just don't want to be filming anymore. I don't know why, but when I do, I definitely put the camera on and record for you guys, because I don't want you guys to miss any looks that I do. Then I'm going with the pink shade. This one is called Wild Child, and I'm going to use this one with the M573 brush from Morphe. I do have a discount code. I'll link all the information down below for you guys. I'm going to apply this pink color right on the crease as well. So I'm just going to layer this on top. If I were to go back with that orange shade, it will definitely erase the pink that I applied. So I try not to go over it, even though it kind of looks a little harsh. Like, let me show you guys. If I were to go over it, it kind of erases the pink a little bit. So I try to not go way too low. So there you go. Then I leave it alone. On this side, I did apply purple, so let's see if it works out, because it was an accidental thing. So I don't know how this side is going to turn out, because I will be trying to do it, and I don't know if it's going to work out. So I'm going with Fireworks. Is this shadow, well, I don't know. It's not a shadow. It's like a glitter type of thing. I don't know. is different, but I really like it. So when you swatch it, it looks really nice. But I'm going to use a brush to apply this. So I'm going to apply this right onto my lid. And I'm patting the color, the glitter onto my lid. I want to say color so bad. I'm just going to pat it all over the lid. And then if I feel like I need more, I go back with the same, and then I just kind of, so I'm just patting the glitter onto the lid. And you can apply as much as you can. You don't have to apply it as much as I do, but definitely make sure that the lid is covered up. So I like to go a little bit higher just so that you can see it. Alright, so for the under eyes, I am going with that same glitter, and I'm going to apply, it's like a jelly type of thing. I don't know how to explain it, but every time I tap it, like they move. So I'm just going to apply this glitter right in the inner corner of the bottom lash line. And you kind of want to pat it in. You don't want to like move it around, because I feel like it just moves it and it doesn't like stay where I want it. And I did apply a little bit too much over here. So. Alright. Then I'm just going to go with the Luxie 209 brush, and I'm going to apply the pink Wild Child shadow, and I'm going to apply this right in the outer corner. So I'm just patting this as well. So, and then I'm going with that Gypsy, is the purple shade in this palette. I'm going to apply some of that to right on touching the waterline, kind of. So this brush is a little too big for it, but it's okay. We'll make it work. Alright. Alright, so that's where I go with that brush, and just kind of apply a little bit of that purple in here. Just because I want it to be a little purple in the shadow on the top. So I'm just going with a little bit of purple. And I'm going as lightly as I can, just so that I don't mess up anything. So I just want a little bit of a hint of a purple. So that's fine. I'm going to go back a little bit here. I just want the hint of purple in that look. Alright. So basically we want the outer corner to have the purple. And I'm just going to clean out any fallout or anything that I might have. Then I'm just going to go with the other Luxie 245, the small one. And I'm going to go with 24 Magic. And I'm going to spray a little bit of setting spray onto this brush. And then I'm going to grab a little bit of that glittery stuff. And I'm going to apply this right in the inner corner. Whoa. Okay, I probably applied a little too much, but it's okay. Whoa, you guys see that? Whoa. Alright. So for lashes, I'm going with the Bold Cosmetics, the Influencer. This is what they look like. I do have a discount code with them. PrettyGrace for somebody if you guys are interested in purchasing lashes from them. They have a variety. When I say variety, I mean they have a lot of lashes in that website. So I'm just going to remove the outer corner of the lashes, because the lashes are a little too big for my eyes. So I always have to do this with all my lashes. You want to make sure you measure, and you don't want to just wear the lashes out of the box, because a lot of the times the lashes are a little too long, and if you wear them, they're gonna itch here and here, and they're gonna start coming off, and then you're gonna look weird, and you definitely don't want to look weird. So I'm just gonna let that, while that's drying a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead with some mascara. This is the Butter London Power Up Mascara, and I'm going to apply this to the bottom lashes. A little bit to the top lashes as well. Okay, let that dry for a little bit. I'm going with the Star Looks Ultra Gem Longwear Eye Pencil. This is like a lavendery with a little bit of glitter. I'm just going to apply this right into the waterline. And it looks really nice because it goes with a little bit of the purple that I applied. So alright, so my lashes are ready to be applied. I'm going to apply them as close as I can to my lashes. So I like to put my mirror below me so I can see what I'm doing. You want to make sure your lashes get tacky. If not, they're going to be all over the place. So there. Just waiting for them to completely dry. We're going to go ahead and move on with highlight. This is the Artist Couture Summer Haze. Summer Haze? I was going to say Hazel. Summer Haze. And I'm going to apply some of that into the cap. And then I'm going to spray some setting spray onto the Sigma brush. And I'm going to apply this highlight. I had already applied it, but you guys need to see it. There we go. You guys can see how beautiful that looks, girl. Yes, you're beaming. Ooh, girl. Definitely, if you think that's a little too much, you can go back and just blend everything out. But I like my highlight to like pop and be like, woo. So then I'm just gonna grab the small contouring. You can use it as contour. I want to just clean out the fallout and blend any eyeshadow that I might have gone a little too low. So yeah, then I'm just going to apply some mascara again. I really like how this turned out. It looks really nice, very festival-y. And I'm just going back with a blending brush and just blend everything, make sure that everything is really nice and blended. Alright. So this time we didn't get anything for lips, but I'm gonna go ahead and apply something. I don't know what I want to apply. And I'm really hot. So I guess I'll just apply my favorite combo. This is the Morphe, the lip trio. It comes with the lipstick as well. This is the blush one. So it's a pink one. I'm just going to line up my lips a little bit. Okay, then I'm just going to apply some of this gloss. Alright, so this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out Boxycharm. I'll link it down below for you guys if you guys are interested. Please, if you guys do subscribe, use my link down below. It does help my channel out. It does help me. Hopefully they approve me and give me the bigger box. But yeah, anyway, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe and let me know what you guys think about this look. Would you guys like to see more colorful looks or more toned down looks? Let me know in the comments down below. I love reading your comments. I read them before I go to bed. So yeah, so thanks again for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye guys.